everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to sign in to TrustWallet on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into TrustWallet on your desktop, you'll need to download Bluestacks on your PC. Simply type in download Bluestacks and search. From the search results, there are multitudes of options you can work on with. Click on download Bluestacks for PC and Mac for free, this link over here, bluestacksofficial.com, and you'll be able to download for your PC and for your Mac. To download for your PC, click on download for PC and download it onto your device, and once it is downloaded, click it open. Now once you open it, search for TrustWallet in the search box. You can see that there's no search results on TrustWallet. If you don't find it here, then go to search in Google Play and you'll see the app. Simply click on the install button. Since I've already downloaded it, it shows me the open button, but if you don't have it downloaded on your device yet, you'll see install button as well. Click on install and download it onto your device, and after it does, you'll see it on your desktop. Click it open. After it does, it will look like this. To sign in, click on I already have a wallet and go through the terms and policies. After you do, click on I've read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy and click on continue. Click on multi-coin wallet and type in the phrase that TrustWallet gave you at the time of sign up. Click on import after you type in the phrases, and you have successfully logged in to TrustWallet on your desktop. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Goodbye till then.